not been very well for the past 3 or 4 days. Had this horrible flu. Feeling slightly better today, so I'm gonna go back to work. And then I have like a week off, and I'm gonna do something pretty special in that week. Some of you guys, especially in the UK, will be familiar with Auto Finesse, which is like a detailing company. They sell products like soaps and sponges and wax and all that stuff. You see, Auto Finesse have these 2 UK Caddies and other vehicles as well. The 2 UK Caddies are basically used to take to car shows and to showcase their products in the back of their trucks. Makes sense. I've actually met the guy who built one of their UK Caddies and other vehicles, and he's such a lovely guy. He builds Mark II Golfs all the time, amongst other vehicles. Again, primarily he's really into Mark II Golfs. So anyway, we got talking, and I've done a little bit of work for him. I've done some video editing for him because he's got a YouTube channel. Seems like a really enthusiastic person, and it's nice to be nice. You see, the guys that I'm going to go and see have got some really, really cool projects in the works. It's all based around Volkswagens, Mark IIs, Jettas, Caddies. It's going to be really fun to see it all in person and to, yeah, just hang out with the guys, learn some more things and document it all here on the channel. So this is nice. This is nice. I've never really been a big fan of modern vehicles. And when I say modern, I mean anything with like electric windows. I can appreciate them though. I just have that real soft spot for like a real analog, just old retro. It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Just finished work, heading back to the office now. I've got a whole week off now, which is great. I'm addicted to these. Why are these Mark I belts so just short? Like, there's not enough length on them. What do we have here? I think you will really enjoy the book. A lot of information, also sent a little something to help get you to madness. See you there. What the fuck? What the fuck, dude? You're joking. This is real as well. What the fuck, man? Nah, dude. Nah, this dude. You should not have done this. $100 bill. Corey. This is insane. Look at this book, man. Getting the most from your rabbit. This is madness. The snowplow. Ha ha. Hell yeah. Oh, this is awesome. Oh man, look at this book is insane, dude. Look at this. It's got the Westmoreland plant in there. Assembly line. Everybody's playing follow the leader. Hoo, hoo, hoo. This is sick. Corey, thank you so much. Mate, $100 bill. You did not have to do that, bro. I think you will really enjoy the book. A lot of information. Also sent a little something to help get you to madness. See you there, Corey. Thank you so much. Mate, I tip my hat to you. In fact, you can have the hat, mate. Let's wrap this up for you. There you go. Wrapped you up a little hat. Apologies for the floral wrapping. Let's give you some Hot Wheels as well. Here's another one. Give you some Monster Rabbit stickers. Here you go, mate. Give some of these to some of your friends. Also got some of these like traditional, like Americana tattoo flash stickers. Right, let's give you a few of these. I'm gonna write my own little note and I'll send this to you in the mail, my friend. So generous. Corey, thank you so much. Here's Corey's Instagram. Go give him a follow. Talk shit about tractors. He'll love that. Mate, I can't wait to meet you in person at Madness. Let's make it happen, baby. One massive box.
Oh, for God's sake.
This tiny little...
Are you serious?
I'm just getting packed up and ready to go. I'm leaving tomorrow at like 6:30 a.m. to go just north of London tomorrow from the Isle of Wight. Leaving tomorrow Saturday and I'm going till like Tuesday night. And we're going to get up to a lot of stuff and I'm going to document it for the YouTube channel. We're doing something to the truck. I'm not going to give it away. You'll have to wait until the next video. But it's everything is coming together. That's all I'm going to say is everything's coming together. I'm really excited. Over the next few days, I'm going to film more things than I can even fathom in my head right now. Going to be like VW stuff upon VW stuff. It's just going to be insane. Really excited. Road trip ahead of me tomorrow morning. I'm gonna pack, get some sleep, and see you in the next episode. Do you like these kind of videos where it's me talking to the camera like a vlog? Let me know in the comments below, and I hope you're having a really good transition from summer to autumn. Bumpers are still there, still shiny. I wish I had time to wash this truck.